Hi and a very good evening, and many thanks for joining us on LTN Property Show with me, Sharon Ongao. Now today we'll be featuring Tarrow Apartments. Tarrow Apartments is located in Hatheru Road off Gitanga Road in Lavington. So Tarrow Apartments has like about 10 floors, and we have the sales representative of this place just to take us through these apartments. Karibu sana for joining us.
Oh, thank you very much.
So when
Welcome
you're
to Tarrow.
Asante sana.
Thank you.
Now when you're starting, just introduce yourself.
My name is Jeremiah Sila. I'm a sales representative here in Tarrow Apartment. We are based in Hatheru Road off Gitanga Road, Lavington.
Asante sana, Mr. Sila, and
Yes.
thanks for welcoming us.
Thank you. Welcome.
Asante. Now, when we're starting Tarrow Apartments, how many units are within this place?
Actually, we have 100 units, 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom, each with the DSQ. Each floor it has only 2 units
Only 2 units per floor.
per floor.
Did I get it right? There are 10 floors, yeah?
There are 10 floors. Remember, without counting ground floor is 1 to 9.
Oh, 1 to 9.
According to lift,
According to the
elevator.
lift.
Yeah,
okay,
sure.
so it's 1 to 9, so like about 10 floors. So the ground floor caters for?
And ground floor cutters is according to elevators.
Oh, according
they
to
normally
elevators.
start with ground floor.
Ground floor.
So we start first floor, second, until 9.
Until 9th floor.
Yeah.
I get you. So you've said it's 100 units with 2 units per floor.
Per floor.
Okay. So 3 and 4 bedrooms alone.
Alone.
Alone. Yes. So let's start with the 3 bedrooms. Does it mean that the 3 and 4 bedrooms are within the same unit or different units?
We have, we are based in blocks.
Okay.
We have block A, block B, C, D, E. Each block it has 20 units of 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom.
Ah, nice. Now I get it.
Yes.
So let's talk about the amenities in this place. If an investor wants to come purchase a unit in Tarrow Apartments, let's talk about the amenities. Which amenities are there in this place?
Actually, if somebody has already purchased a unit here, you are going to benefit like a swimming pool. We have gym. At the same time, we have a playing ground for the children. And other so many things.
I know so many things. First of all, when I was coming in, I just saw a huge parking space. And then I was like, I think this is a go-to place.
No, after from the gate, you must go straight to the lamp. Then you go down to the first basement. Is where all the people who have already got a unit here. They have a unit here. They shall be parking there.
Their cars
Vehicles, the cars, and basement. We have 3 basements. We have first basement, second basement.
Just for the residents?
Yeah, for the residents. Yeah.
And for the visitors is the one that we saw
visitors will
outside?
be on the ground floor.
Ah, nice.
Yes.
Okay. And how about the social amenities? Outside now this premise, if an investor wants to come here, what are some of the social amenities?
We have like, you're going to benefit. Now, like, we are on, when you talk about security wise, we have the
security
project is surrounded by stone wall, which has electrical fence. We have CCTV cameras. That one is good for the security. Security is very important.
Very important.
It's very important when you talk about the life of people. Yes, that we really take care. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Sila. Now let's concentrate about now this show house. Where we are at is a 4-bedroom apartment, right?
Yeah, this is now 4 bedroom. Each room it is actually they are en suite.
Each and every room?
Yes.
The 4-bedroom?
Yeah, they are en suite. And actually each unit is just a DSQ.
Each unit is like a DSQ?
Yeah, of course. Yes.
So when it comes to spacing, because even the master room, I saw it has a lot of spaces, like the cupboards.
You see, this actually is very big. When you talk about space, it has a very big, because now 4-bedroom is 2409 square feet. And that one is very big house.
That's in each and every 4-bedroom?
It is 2409 square feet. Yes.
And how about the 3-bedroom?
3-bedroom is 2002 square feet. Yes.
And even the 3 bedrooms comes with en suite also?
Of course.
And the DSQ?
DSQ, of course. Yeah.
And then I know somebody will be asking, if it comes to the DSQ, each and every room is en suite. How much? I know that's the elephant in the room. Let's start with the 3-bedroom, the pricing.
Actually, according to what is happening now, global problem because of this COVID, actually we are very down. We are just on selling 19, but so negotiable.
Okay.
We consider somebody who is paying in cash, somebody in mortgage, somebody installment. It will depend. But somebody who is paying cash, actually there is a
you can negotiate, you can talk.
Yeah, we can talk.
So you're saying like 19 million is a throwaway price during this pandemic?
Sure. Things are not good. If you look at world economy is very down because of what is happening.
But
not here in Kenya, everywhere.
Globally.
So if you have money, it is high time for you to get a property. It's a drawdown, very cheap. Sure.
And I'd advocate for that because indeed, I've seen even the housing and the number of units plus the flooring. I mean, it's so spacious.
Sure.
It's so spacious. So as an investor, you've heard Mr. Sila very well. If you have cash, you can come talk to Mr. Sila on the other side. You can negotiate and you can work out the amount. How about the 4-bedroom? How much is the 4-bedroom?
4-bedroom is only 23.
Only 23 million?
Yeah, only 23. Negotiable.
I like how you say only 23, as if they were in thousands. Only 23 million.
Yeah, because of economical, what is happening, because of, I think you are aware what is going on. So if we go to her, but you know, we can't go so down because you remember, even we take the money from bank, then the bank wants something small, we pay in interest. So things not
and then
good.
Even plus the location where this place is, like
actually
Lavington.
Location, I tell you, if you get a unit here, you are in a safe environment. One, off from Gitanga Road, you get Hatheru Road, is somehow set aside.
Okay.
And no through road. You must go back to the main road.
Yeah, you have to.
And we have a barrier. Off from the Gitanga Road, we have a barrier of which there is security.
I saw even security guards at that place manning the place.
And you know, we have that China Bridge Cooperation officers there. There are 4 police officers day and night.
Yeah.
Actually, if there is somewhere very safe in Kenya,
it's this place.
There is this place.
And then it's in a high-end place because places like Lavington is considered as an high-end area in Kenya.
Actually, you see, like now in Lavington, in future, after just wait and see after like 10 years coming, where there is, you see like Lilishwa, is like most of people, even border people walking. You know, early you could see anybody walking here now, but you go there.
It was like a gated society, gated community, where you couldn't even tell who's your neighbor.
Yeah, but here is very different. I tell you, this is a very cool place. Especially weekend, you can't hear even a sound.
Oh, really?
Very nice. At the same time, our property, you see, we are surrounded by permanent roads going to other apartments.
So there are no matatus and PSVs coming across?
No. I'm talking about, you see, our property is actually surrounded by permanent road going to other flats, other villas, both sides. And that one is very important. Whenever you are buying any property, first, you should be aware about position. You should know your neighbor and the other side, what is there. Maybe tomorrow somebody is coming and build a very tall building, then to block your natural right. But here, actually our property is surrounded by permanent roads, both sides. So nobody can build anything near our wall. So they are going to assess natural right when they are
So you just assure the investors that no one can build across, like near the walls, like you said?
Yes, sure.
Now, Mr. Sila, if somebody was to make payments or to book a unit at this place, there's a percentage that you guys give. I don't know how much.
You see, now, if somebody is paying cash, it will depend, but you know there are processes whereby if you are paying cash, first you must pay like 10%, then so that you may prepare the documents. So that you may go now pay the remaining amount. Then you get other documents like occupational certificates and the other legal documents. If somebody is paying now in installment, that one is another different because we give you offer letter. Then after offer letter, you pay a certain amount to start preparing your documents. But somebody who is paying in mortgage is always like a cash. You pay 10%. If people from bank, they do approval, for you, you qualify.
Yeah.
They pay 30%.
Okay.
I mean 60%. Then after like 60 days, 3 months, is it 60 days is 2 months.
2 months.
They pay 60%. After 2 months again, they pay now
another
the
40.
other 30 remaining.
30. Oh,
Remember,
30
it's
remaining.
30.
Okay.
You know, if you are paying in mortgage, you yourself, you must pay 10%.
The first instance, I paid 10%. The
By
bank
the
will help me 60.
owner.
Oh, by the owner.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that is that process. They are aware about it.
Oh, there you are. So
Yeah,
10,
sure.
and then the bank pays 60 within 2 months, and then another 30%.
Yeah.
Ah, nice.
Then bank payers, then we give you all the document. Your chupa, you get your offer.
Now
then
you are
stay.
a homeowner.
You're home. Yes.
Now, let's talk about each and every unit. Does it come with the lightings? Because I saw the lighting,
Actually,
the gypsum.
the way you can see this showroom,
Yeah.
The way you're seeing the lightning, all the rooms, 4-bedroom, the same.
It comes with every
En-suite
unit.
all. Yeah,
All
sure.
en-suite.
Yeah.
The lightings, the gypsums.
Yes, yes.
The flooring. I saw the
floor,
flooring.
you know,
You've done
this
a good
very
work.
nice floor. This is very, you know, it's not those bamboo.
Is it laminated?
This one is laminated
Oh,
floor.
really?
Very nice.
Nice.
Actually, is approved. Nowadays, is the floor most of people are using because of the children. You know, some children they just
They like playing on the floor.
Yeah.
And then plus
Very
with the
nice.
cold season, we're in the month of July, it's so cold in Nairobi.
Yes.
So I guess with the laminated floor, it's an added advantage.
Sure.
Yeah.
You see, when you pour water, it can deform.
Yeah.
But you know, bamboo, when you pour water accidentally, it deforms.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this one, it can't deform. It can't.
Ah.
Sure.
That's so nice. And then I have to talk about the lighting that comes in the house, like the natural lighting when it comes to the windows. I guess you guys have given them a massive windows and doors.
Yeah, even yourself you can see.
Yeah,
very big.
I was
even we
impressed
can
by that.
switch off, then you see natural light. Actually, is right. Even if there is no electricity, you're okay. Right? Actually, too much.
It's too much.
Sure.
Now, Mr. Silla, as we concluding, let's not even conclude. I saw the kitchen is an open plan kitchen. Does this is it applicable in each and every unit? I mean, like even the 3 bedrooms. Now that I've seen the 4 bedrooms alone.
Actually, 3 bedroom is a little bit hidden.
It's enclosed.
Somehow.
It's enclosed.
I've enclosed.
Oh, okay.
But 4 bedroom is
it's
open
an open
kitchen.
plan.
Sure.
And even with the open plan, don't you think that someone can, if somebody buys the unit, don't you think that they can even transform it if they don't like the open plan?
Yeah, that one is acceptable.
Is it?
So long as you have your architectural designer, interior designers, you know, they must come with interior designers. Then after you buy your unit, then you can change.
Just to check the place.
Yeah. Or you just add a small something, then we change for you. Yes.
I think the good thing with the Tarrow Apartments that we also talked about before we started the interview is that apart from buying, there is a to let.
Yeah, they are to let. Yeah, we are letting. Yeah, even. Yeah, sure.
So for 3 bedroom, if I was to come here for a to let, for a rental, how much will I pay per month?
Per month actually is only 120.
120,000.
That is 3 bedroom. You pay like 2 months deposit.
2 months deposit and then plus 1 month.
Yeah, 3 months.
So I part with about 480.
That is 360.
360.
Yeah.
Okay. And how about the 4 bedroom?
4 bedroom is 140. Yeah.
140,000.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Now, Mr. Silla, as we're concluding, when you're looking at this camera, maybe to an investor who might be watching us at this particular time,
yes,
I just want you to tell them why this place is ideal for them, and then as we conclude, if you'll be capable of giving them your number, or maybe if you will give me another number, for somebody who will be wanting inquiries about this place, we can give them.
Actually, for anybody who want to have a unit here, actually, to me, this is now where people should be. One, if you talk about security.
Yes.
Security here is something whereby we really mind about it. You see now from
there. On your consideration.
Yeah, you see now from the main road now you enter in Hatheru Road, there is a barrier. Yeah. Of which you can be around from a certain time to a certain time. and the road is
really
not
from
going
a certain
to.
time. So meaning if you're coming at night, even if you're a resident.
If you are a resident, we are talking about like people who deliver things,
Oh,
you know, those like
okay.
no border is allowed to
Non-residents,
enter.
okay.
No, those border allowed to enter
Yeah.
in the estate.
Yeah.
Yes. So you see, there is a time whereby they can't, even when we are doing construction, there's a time whereby we can't be allowed to bring the material at a certain time. There is a certain time we are supposed to work. We can't work here even on Saturday. We must close half day.
Because the residents are
Sunday
there
no
making
working.
noise. Yeah.
Because the resident here is very cool. They don't want noise.
No, they don't want noise.
They
okay.
don't want noise. And you see, after getting inside, you can't know through road.
Yeah.
And that one is very important
Very.
on security matters. Now you see from the gate, you go straight to the lab, you come down, you put your vehicle. That one is also very important on security matters because nobody knows where you have gone.
Yeah.
Nobody knows where is your car. They can't see your car just
I realized
outside.
that even with the entrance in itself, you
Yes.
can't tell where the entrance is.
Yes.
When I came, I thought the entrance was on the other side. Kumbe the entrance, you have to go through, I don't know where.
Yes, yes. That one is very important on security matters.
And
You
people
know.
won't know even where the cars are parked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is something I wanted to inform you.
Yes.
What is so important, especially where there are inhabitants, human, security is the key point, even to investors, even to anybody. If no security, then how can you enjoy life?
You can't.
Yeah.
You
And
can't
here,
even have that freedom of
you can't have freedom of,
movement, you know.
Yes, yes, yes. So you see, second, you are going to benefit here, like we have generator backup. If sometimes electricity, you know, Kenya, sometimes electricity goes so, we have a very big backup. But that one is for common areas.
Yeah, like the
Yes.
lifts. And even the lifts. So how are we not talking about the lifts?
Actually, we have each block, I've taught you we have 5 blocks.
Yeah.
Each block, it has elevators. Actually, each block, it has its own elevator. And
Swimming pool, I also saw some.
swimming pool. All this, you are going to benefit.
And I love the fact that even the children, you give children the priority, they have their own play area.
Yeah, they have their own playing area. At the same time, the swimming pool actually is for small children.
For small children. And it's seated, yeah?
Already is always is warm.
Okay.
Water is warm because you know this cold is not good, especially at this time of COVID.
Yeah.
We make sure that you are in good. We must take care because of what is happening. And you can see faces even outside. Actually, if there is people who have done something which is now matching with the situation for today, it is
Tarrow
us.
Apartments.
Because now you see very big space, keep distance, you can see even outside. You have seen yourself?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah.
And it's very commendable. So how
Yes.
can they reach you out? Like the investors will be watching?
Actually, you
Or
know,
will give us a number and then we'll put them on the screen.
I can give you a number. I will give you a number which you are going to put in the screens. At the same time, now, you know, coming from town, you just use the Gong Road, Valley Road, then you come to Valley Arcade, proceed Gitanga Road, off Gitanga Road.
But it's close to the Gitanga, just off Gitanga Road.
It's very near to Lavington shopping mall. We have like Nakpan Junction shopping mall.
Yeah.
We have Brabant school here. International school, we are surrounded by international schools here.
Very true.
Actually, the place is very good for you.
So you're saying you're watching for this place in all angles?
Sure. Even position is just a matter of 10 minutes. You are in town.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Yes.
Thank you so much, Mr. Silla. I hope you've covered everything about this place, unless I'm forgetting about something else.
What I can say is actually, according to what I've been seeing, what I can tell the investors who want to buy any kind of property, one, they should be aware about position. Because I've seen people crying after they buy a unit. Somebody comes near your wall, he makes a very tall building, the other side, so you're blocked. So What I can
Non-natural light.
caution the investors or somebody who want to buy a property,
Yeah.
first, be careful about the position. And
Your
like, you know,
surroundings,
like
yeah?
surrounding, security, and also water. You know, water is another something which we can't ignore.
Yeah.
Water for sanitation, clean
Because
sanitation.
80% of our doings in the house, we deal with water.
We deal with water. And you see now we have 2 bores.
Oh, you have boreholes in here?
Yeah, we have boreholes too. And already we have connected city council water, piping from the main pipe. So we have a clean water.
So there won't be any water shortage?
No water shortage, yeah. Yeah. That one I assure you. Yes.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Sila.
Yes.
And indeed, the pleasure was all ours for taking
Okay.
us through this beautiful apartment.
Okay.
I normally say they're beautiful because of the spacious, the space they come with, and I mean, I think I just love this place. I love this place. The compound is big, it's spacious, the rooms are big, and I hope we've shown you everything about this place. As Mr. Sila just said, I wouldn't want to add much more. He's already told you much more about this place. As he said, security is the key factor. Yeah?
Sure.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Sila. And with that marks the end of today's LTN's property show with me, Sharon Ongao. Remember, we were featuring Tarrow Apartments, that's in Lavington. Until next time, do have yourselves a good evening.
Okay, thank you very much. Welcome. Then you bring customers.